Good food, good people, and a good time. There's nothing more that I love in life. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. In this video, I am sharing with you one of my family favorite party-pleasing platters of chicken served alongside that white barbecue sauce that you guys see me making all the time, a little bit of Greek salad, and some gyro bread, or let's be honest, I say gyro bread, y'all know that. But before we jump into all of that yumminess, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and invite your friends and family to do the same. Now, let's make some white barbecue sauce and your new favorite party appetizer. I am always cooking up meals family style to feed a gigantic family that I have on a budget because there are so many of us and we are constantly hanging out and getting together. Everything in our family revolves around what we're gonna eat next. So this white barbecue sauce is something that my family begs for me to bring to every gathering we have. We started off with some Duke's mayo. Everybody knows I love my Duke's mayo because it's got that twang. So I'll add 2 cups of mayo to a mixing bowl, and to that I'm adding in fresh garlic. Fresh garlic is key. You don't want to use that jarred garlic. Get yourself some fresh garlic cloves and grate them finely into the Duke's mayo. This is a nice garlicky sauce, so you want to use about 4 to 5 large garlic cloves. To that, we'll add in 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or the juice of 1 whole lemon. Next, we're going to add in 1 heaping tablespoon of black pepper. This sauce is so delicious with the amount of black pepper in it. Next, we'll add in 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. And finally, a good brand of white wine vinegar. I love buying Colvita. I love the brand of their tomatoes. You see me using them all the time for our griddled Blackstone pizzas. We'll add in 1/3 cup. Give all of this a quick mix and it is done and ready to be refrigerated. This sauce can stay in your refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. It is so delicious. I hope you guys try it because I know you guys are gonna love it. Those of you that are already enjoying it, I love receiving all of the messages and the photos of how much you guys are enjoying it. Before we stick this white barbecue sauce into the refrigerator, I have some chicken breast. I bought a whole family pack. I like to dice it up into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna spoon over about a 1/2 cup of our white barbecue sauce, just enough to coat this chicken and let it marinate in all of that deliciousness. Drizzle it with about a 1/4 cup of olive oil of your choice. Give the chicken a nice mix, and then we're gonna marinate this chicken for anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours. Now that our chicken has marinated, we're gonna drop it down onto the Blackstone. I'm going with medium-high to high heat on our Blackstone. This way, each piece of chicken gets a nice sear on the outside. I love pre-cutting my chicken when I'm serving it like this versus cooking a chicken breast and then slicing it afterwards. That way, each side of our bite-sized chicken pieces get a perfect sear, locking in the juices. That's what makes this chicken party platter so delicious and such a hit, because everybody tells me how juicy the chicken is. So go for cutting it ahead of time. Prep is key. You could dice it up the night before, throw the marinade on it in the morning, and cook it up for dinner, and you are gonna absolutely go crazy for this. Now, this chicken you could serve in some gyro bread just as you would a gyro or a gyro, or you could use this chicken over a pizza or a flatbread. You can use it in sandwiches. Drizzle that white barbecue sauce all over the top. However, when it comes to feeding a crowd for my parties, I love serving this simply on a nice platter, a nice big bowl of a simple Greek salad, which you can easily make with some diced cucumbers. I like to use the English cucumber. Season it up with some Greek seasoning, some fresh grape tomatoes that we just chopped up, and of course, again, season those with either some salt and pepper or the Greek seasoning. Layer that with some chopped green onions and top it off with some feta cheese, which we are also going to season with our Greek seasoning. Give it a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a quick toss, and this serves alongside the chicken perfectly with a side of that white barbecue sauce for dipping. I have my gyro bread sliced up, which is also something you could do the day before. And if you wanted to toast it up, you could throw it onto your Blackstone as well to char up or crisp up the bread. Now, when it comes to the parties, people love taking a little bit of everything. You can add a little bit of calamari olives, some hummus, get crazy with your platter. I promise you people are going to just flock to this and absolutely enjoy every single bite. I hope you guys try this. If you do, don't forget to post a picture and tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty, because we cannot wait to see you guys enjoying the same thing that my friends and family enjoy here. So go make some of it. I hope you guys enjoy this white barbecue sauce. It is one of my absolute favorites, and I am so happy to share it with you guys. Don't forget to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and leave us comments below. We love reading what you guys have to say about all of our videos and recipes. So until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. That's what makes this chicken party platter. That's what makes this chicken party platter. Another battery that's dead?